Hi, I'm Dan. I'm the captain of Lady Jade, and I've been using SEA.AI since October last year. I installed it because I thought it was the best product on the market. Since then, I'm very satisfied with the product. So SEA.AI comes with presets. First of it is you can manually control the camera, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and as well you can track targets manually. There is an option for a navigational watch, which literally swings the camera around 45 degrees to each side, from port side to starboard side. You can control as well the speed and all that. The camera can recognize different kinds of targets, from, let's say, a person in the water, an MOB, navigational hazard, container or a piece of wood, cardinal points and navigational marks. The camera as well swings 360 degrees, and once you command to track a target, the camera is going to follow that target. Doesn't really matter what you're heading, the camera always is going to point to the point which you track, which is very useful for MOB. SEA.AI brings to my crew and to any vessel an extra aid for the safety of navigation and anti-collision, and as well MOB. The whole point of operating a vessel safe is to spot the dangers and to avoid them. For sure, SEA.AI is going to help us in the future navigating safe and being safe at sea. So what I can say is that the customer service is amazing, very efficient. The product is very easy to use. The quality of the image and of the detection is great. And yeah, it's a good piece of kit, and I recommend it with pleasure.